So let me, without wasting the time, let us just try to move on actually. What is the topic name, boss? Can you read along with me? AI agents. Today you will get a clear picture. What is AI agents? First of all, why industry need this AI agent actually? You will get an idea, right? Fine. This one is, I would like to say, part one material. It's like a part one actually. I mean, maybe if time permits, I can deliver other parts also in other sessions, upcoming sessions. Fine then. So let's move on. Daniel, can you tell me if anyone joined new for the workshop actually, if you're not aware about my name, myself is the Daniel. I'm working at NareshIT as a full stack data science and AI trainer actually, right? Fine, let me tell you. I hope you're able to see the agenda. Daniel, what is agenda you're going to cover actually? So it's like on an average, you can see total 54 pages actually. How many? Let me tell you, I can say more than 25 pages is the theory, but quite interesting actually. In that 25 pages theory, you will get a nice history. Why these AI agents came suddenly, why this hype came actually, and what about the existing topic, software industries, if they didn't use AI agents, what exactly happened, if they are using, what exactly happening actually. Those are all things I'm going to cover actually. And after 25 pages onwards, it's completely kind of some technical discussion. What discussion, sir? I can talk with examples actually. I mean, example in the sense kind of some code base so that you can easy to understand. If anyone joined today for this session, the prerequisite, it's not like if you don't know AI, if you don't know Python programming language, I'm extremely sorry for saying, you may not understand my session actually. I'm repeating again. There is a prerequisite. Talk with me. Daniel, what do you mean by prerequisite? Before learning about the number two, you should learn about what exactly? Same thing like that. If you wanted to understand about the AI agents actually, there are some prerequisite. First prerequisite is the Python. Talk with me. That's it. First one is the Python. And the next one will be a little knowledge you should know about the machine learning, deep learning, AI related components actually. If you are really comfortable about this one, so then you can easy to understand. But anyway, even if you're not aware about these are all things, trust me, our material helps you and you can easy to understand actually. Okay, yeah, fine. Now the first topic what I'm going to cover, what is AI in AI agents? Quite interesting. Can you tell me what is the topic name? From AI agents, let me start the explanation, like a words wise actually. I have divided. First, we have to understand about this point actually. What is AI, Daniel, in AI agents? Then, Daniel, can you separately explain what is agent in AI agents actually? Once you understand these two, then frankly speaking, the third one I'm going to cover directly what is AI agent actually. It's not like suddenly I will start. I know you thought like the heading will be what is AI agent. No, 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 no. Let me explain kind of some background details, then you will get an idea, right? The next one will be, there are some real world examples. So there are few companies already started using AI agents. Where they are using, how they are using, what are all use cases. I have just listed out only few use cases actually. We don't have that much luxury time to discuss these are all things. The next one will be, I mean, so where are all they are implementing, we don't have that much time to discuss, but I can give you an overview actually. There are some key characteristics. There are some core components actually you need to be understand, right? And AI agents, a kind of some categories based on functionality. Would have a different type of AI agents, blah blah blah. A kind of some 1 to 4. Yeah, I'm going to help you. Yeah, seventh point is important, sir. Can you talk with me? What is that? The need of AI agents. Uh, Daniel, can you tell me why AI agents came into the picture? Before AI agents, already we have a topics actually. Can you tell me what is the limitation in old topics? And it's a kind of some traditional approach actually. And AI agents, how it is going to overcome that I'm going to talk with you. So first one, I would like to take a software development perspective. And second one, I would like to take autonomous system perspective. Talk with me. What is this one, sir? Autonomous actually. You'll get an idea. There are some core components. On an average, exactly 6 components would you have that I'm going to help you. All right. The next one will be, if you wanted to work with kind of some pure practical discussion, there is a one framework which is so called as a Crew AI. What is that? Crew AI. That introduction I'm going to help you. It's like a practical introduction. You will get an idea. Then the next one will be Walama introduction. It's not Obama actually. What is this? I'm sorry for getting right. It's a Walama introduction. Now here onwards, actual practical sessions it will start, sir. As I told you, from 27. Yeah. So environment setup, I will show you. Daniel, in my laptop, I just wanted to do the setup actually, and no worries. Just follow our material. You can do setup. But let me tell you, once you done your setup in your laptop regarding AI agents, trust me, your system will become a little slow actually. Why? Because we are going to install a kind of some heavyweight components actually. Let me tell you what all components we are going to install. There are different agents would have single agents and multi agents. This is about the agenda, sir. These are all things I'm planning to target actually. AI agents, technical flow. Talk with me. Technical flow, and there are some use cases. First, I will show you hello world example. That would be really good to know. When you're talking about the Python, hello world example, how you are learning. Whenever you are learning about the AI agents, you should understand hello world example. Then you will get a clarity. Then there are some use cases. 1, 2, 3. It's not like only theoretical discussion. I will talk with practical actually, so that you will get a clarity. Are you clear about this one? All right. Is it okay? Can I continue? Fine then. Let us start. All right. Cool. I'm drinking water. Online team. Let's continue. Fine then. Good, man. So, and one more point you can see in today material, you can see kind of some pictorial diagrams also. What exactly, sir? Pictorial diagrams also. That literally helps you for understanding. Come on. Without wasting the time, let us continue. The first definition is what is AI in AI agents. Talk with me. What is the first one? Yeah, I hope you already know full form. So I don't want to engage you by telling the full form. These are all things actually. First point, AI refers, it's a kind of some machine or software. Talk with me, it's a kind of some machine or what exactly? Software actually. Yeah, you guys will get the material. I will tell you. So what is the, so where you can get the material, I will tell you. That can perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence actually. So team, let me tell you, whenever you are talking about the AI, at some point of time, definitely human intervention is required. Human involvement is required. What is required? So let me tell you, AI, a kind of some machine learning, deep learning, these are all things, it will give a decision. Then to execute that decision, talk with me, to execute that decision, let me tell you, imagine we have installed AI, or else we have installed AI components for kind of some stocks price actually. What is that one, sir? So and so unit, so and so price, so and so unit, so and so price. Now in our account, imagine suddenly so and so stock prices are such a reasonable. We are planning to buy actually. Then immediately you will get a one small notification. Boss, the stocks are very reasonable cost actually. Take a control to buy the stocks. Take a control to buy the. I got a notification. Then what I need to do now? I have to open the app actually. Then being a human, I need to buy manually. I mean to say manual intervention is required. What is required? That is called as a AI. So simple. That is called as what exactly, sir? AI. Especially I'm planning to target on only on this word actually. Of course, what is the AI? Minimum 2 hours discussion. But we don't have that much 2 hours actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. So let me just try to close the discussion. These tasks, including what are all things it is being getting, including, sir, learning, reasoning. What is that? It will understand learning and reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, recognizing. Ayo sir, there are many use cases actually. There are many use cases. It learn itself automatically. I know decision making it will do, machine translations it will do, n number of things it will do actually. Almost all companies are using. That is about the AI in AI agents. Then what is the next one, sir? Talk with me. What is agent in AI? What is? Good. What do you mean by agent? Best example, think like you are having one small PA. So suddenly you became company CEO. Suddenly you became company CEO actually. So definitely you need a kind of some PA actually. What do you mean by PA? Do you think Prime Minister actually? No. I'm talking about especially kind of some, personal assistant actually. Then whenever you are talking about your schedule actually, he takes care about your schedule. And he will try to suggest you have to do this task, you have to do this task, you have to do this task actually. Sometimes what happen, in our absent, talk with me, in our absence, and he can perform some task actually. That is called as an agent. I'm sorry. That is called as what exactly? Agent. Let me tell you. Right. Daniel, what do you mean by agent? Agent is something that it can sense the environment. This is seriously amazing. Talk with me. It senses from environment. It is going to learn actually. Very good. Making decision itself automatically and take actions to what exactly, man? Now this one is really very good actually. Making decision till that environment AI takes care actually. Then the next part will be taking action is very, very important. In AI, humans are taking the action. Who are taking action? But when it comes to AI agent, automatically AI agent, simple, don't think too much. Agent is a program. Agent is a, that takes care automatically. A kind of some decision making, not only decision making, sir. It can take care about, action perform also. Taking action, and these are all things it can perform actually. Hope you understand very clearly, right? And ultimately achieve the goal. An AI agent is a system that pursues the world. I mean, it can just try to capture the data. What exactly, sir? Through sensors, data or input actually. Manually you can provide, automatically you can provide. These are all. Can you talk with me? What is the next one? Process the information. What it receives, it can process the information. And it takes action accordingly. It takes action, sir. This is seriously good word actually. Talk with me. What is that word? Action. That is important actually. I hope you might aware about before starting the cinema, what they will tell? Action. Then actual cinema will start actually. Here also, agents takes the action. That is seriously amazing actually. It is not only taking the decision, it takes the action also. Right. Let me define one small great definition actually. Now I will read this one. Hold on. Sir, don't think too much. AI agents means what exactly? Talk with me. AI plus. So it's not like AI is going to replace with agent. It's not like that actually. AI and agents work together. That's why it is called as a AI agents. That's why it is called as a AI agents actually. Right. Imagine tomorrow some new component came, a kind of some new technology came. No doubt at all. That is not replaceable with the AI. Definitely depends upon AI. On top of that one, it can do some advanced technology actually. That's what you need to be understand. Can I get a response from you? All right. I didn't skip the previous definition. Let me read actually. You will get an idea. Can you talk with me? AI agent equals to AI plus agent. Awesome. Right. An AI agent is a smart system that interacts with what exactly, sir? All right. So it interacts with the surroundings and learn from experience, making decision to complete what exactly? Tasks actually. Right. It can be software based. Think like, it can be kind of some software application, or else it can be embodied with the hardware actually. It is kind of something like, the software which is installed with hardware is called as a embodied actually. Especially, kind of some robo. What exactly, sir? Robo actually. I'm sure you got a clarity. And what is AI in AI agents? What is agent in what exactly? AI agents. The next one will be what is AI agent? You got one idea. One small suggestion. Once the session is over actually. Yeah. No. Both are not same, sir. Agentic AI, AI agents are both are different actually. It's slightly you can compare, but I can talk end of this session. Sorry. A small suggestion. Once the session over, though these are all new terminology and key terminology, you need to walk through the material. Then only you will get a clarity actually. Team, are you getting everyone? All right. Let me take a control over the next session actually. The next subtopic. Team, you are following, I guess. Let me drink water, please. Let me tell you. So real world AI agents examples actually, right? So what are all real world AI examples? AI agents are widely used across industries actually. Team, let me tell you, the banking domain, healthcare domain, e-commerce domain, almost. See, that's the beauty with the domains actually. Once new technology came, they can emerge the technology automatically. Then they can showcase, sir, we are using these are all technologies actually. That is really very good, right? We are moving towards the direction actually. And it is almost using, across the world industries to improve the efficiency. Talk with me. Improve efficiency and automate the task. So some key examples. included here actually. There are some key examples I can talk with you today and including example also. Yeah. Can you talk with me? What is the first one? Self-driving cars. When you are talking about the self-driving car, in a self-driving car system, AI is available, agent also is available. Then separately, let us try to understand how AI is helping for the self-driving car, how agent is helping for self-driving car, so that you will get a clarity. One of the best example is the Tesla. Don't ask what is a Tesla actually. I'm sorry for getting. Right. Now let me talk with you self-driving cars. AI role. Let me make it very clear. Detects the road. What is that? Detecting. Whenever imagine a driver, whenever he is driving a car actually, first what he will do, he will try to observe the road very exactly, the border actually, the margin. Am I right or not, sir? And AI takes care about that, detects the road actually. The next one will be traffic signals. It's supposed to identify traffic signal, otherwise gone case actually. I hope you know what happened, right? If it is not recognizing. The next one will be pedestrians, where are all walking paths actually, and other vehicles using sensors and cameras. Now, whenever you're talking about AI, so simple, it is observing from environment. It is, let us take a human. With our eyes, whenever you are looking at any object actually, it is passing signals to our brain. It is passing signals to what exactly? Our brain. Then that is nothing but a observation. What is that? Now the next one is the action. Next one is, here is the beautiful. AI agent takes care about the action. Make a note on this one, right? It perform the action. Talk with me. It perform an action, right? So makes driving decision. Seriously awesome, sir. It is making the driving decision. Either, so stop the car, or else, left side or right side, U-turn, changing lanes safely. These are all things actually. Are you clear or not, sir? Right. This is the one of the example. The next one will be chatbots in banking. This one is the banking domain. What are all banking domains? HDFC is using, SBI also using. What do you mean by EVA? During the KT, electronic virtual assistant actually. Talk with me. Electronic virtual assistant. And SAI, SPI. I hope I'm not sure about the I would actually. A means assistant, sir. What is it one? Assistant. Maybe you can cross verify, use ChatGPT or else any Google, you will get an idea. What is AI? Sir, understanding customer queries about the balances, transactions, and loan. Tell me, team, let me talk with you. Before AI, there are some customer care. I'm not sure. Either, you talk with your customer or not actually. Like to get to know the bank details. Olden days, it is seriously amazing, We need to call to the customer care. Then other end person, there is a human. He need to pick your call. He can talk actually. These are all things based on some authentication. But let me talk with you. Agent behavior. Sir, it responds with relevant answers. This is awesome actually. It's response with, what do you mean by relevant answer, You went to shop and, you went to shop and you're asking tomato actually. It should not give potato actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Then the relevant in the sense, what you are expecting, it's supposed to fulfill actually, right? So response with relevant answers or directs users to human support actually, right? Can you talk with me? What is the first one? Self-driving cars, and backend they are using AI agents. The next one will be chatbots in banking. Okay. The next one is what exactly, sir? Stock trading bots. One more time. This is awesome. One of the live example actually. So these are all a kind of some different apps. If you want, you can walk through in your free time actually. Zero the Strict. These are all different applications would you have. AI role. Analyze the stock market trends and news and data. Sir, AI, let me tell you, it will just update the information to you. It will just, what exactly? Update. I mean to say prediction it will do. But then till now, we are all humans, we are taking the action. But instead of human, if there is a system, if that system taking action automatically, that is called as a AI agents. That is called as I know I'm talking more theory actually, but practically we can say. But theory also important. Agent behavior, it buys or sells stocks based on what exactly, boss? Predicted probability actually. What exactly? Predicted probability, right? Now the healthcare AI. Yes, healthcare also it is using. Reads medical reports, diagnoses, diseases, a kind of some, suggest the treatments actually. AI role, it can suggest. But what agent will do, assist the doctors in decision making for better care actually. AI agent can suggest, you are having so and so disease. You can just try to suggest, you can just try to, so reach so and so doctor actually. So these are all very, very important. And make a note on this one. The next one will be, can you talk with me? What is this one? Team, I would like to tell one thing today actually. Let me tell you, let me talk with you actually. You know about the water business. Am I right? Water can business, these are all things. A kind of some shopping malls you might have heard. Shopping mall business actually. E-commerce business. But let me tell you, fraud became very big business nowadays actually. Please understand how I am comparing. I am telling fraud word with what word I am comparing actually? Business. Fraud became like a big business nowadays actually. Who are all people, if they wanted to fraud, best example was, what do you mean by fraud, So even suddenly, you're already experienced about this one. Imagine suddenly, you will get a one small pop-up message actually in your text message. And it will tell, sir, you got 1 lakh credited actually. You got what exactly? 1 lakh credit. Just to click on this thing, remaining things we takes care actually. Are you with me? Sir, maybe we can recognize very quickly, but think like, so my father, he was illiterate actually. I mean, so he illiterate, I'm sorry. So he was not studied. But unfortunately, if you click on that link, that is the fraud message. What message actually? That link having kind of some malicious software. It takes complete control about your device actually. Whatever action you are performing, it never allow you. Then they can scam. They can what exactly, sir? Scam actually. That's seriously amazing. Before clicking on that link, if there is an AI agent, if it is suggesting, don't click on that link. Otherwise, if the AI agent is completely remove that message also, that is absolutely fine for us actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, make a note on this one. Fraud detection. This is seriously important nowadays, especially, right? Why? Because, though everything became online, boss, everything became, we are all using our digital cards actually, and we are all using our kind of some our cards, kind of some I mean to say credit card or debit card you are using, and you are entering the details actually. What is the guarantee? It's supposed to detect either it is a fraud or not actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Scans millions of transactions in real time. Fraud, sir. You might have heard about the Mastercard. Ayyo, I supposed to add Visa also. Visa company also, they are using AI agents, especially PayPal. These are all right. So it flags suspicious activity and prevents the fraudulent what exactly, sir? Transaction. It would be really good if there is a system. If that system is filtering, don't touch this one. So if you're touching this one, it is kind of some scam actually. Are you with me? Right. Make a note on this one. Now I just wanted to interact with the online team. So I need one of your response actually. Are you clear till now? So if anyone joined late actually, Asir sir, thank you. I have seen your message. Thank you so much. Good to see you back. How are you? Yeah, yeah, Srikant Sarji. Good, good. Cool. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. Fine then. What is an AI and agents? What is agent actually? What is the AI agents and real world application? I have given just an idea. You also guys need to spend some time and you need to walk through this material so that you will get a clear picture actually. Till now, are you clear? Fine then. Let me take to the control to the next point. You will get an idea. Then what is the next topic? Key characteristics of AI agents. What is that? Key characteristics. Fine then. So we do have a, now I can use running notes here. I'm sorry. So seems to be our old students also here. Can you, to get this material? Yeah, to get this material actually, please drop a mail to this mail ID. That mail ID is, I'm repeating again, Daniel Gen AI 77 at the rate gmail.com. At gmail.com, and ensure that subject should be a kind of some AI agent part 1 material, AI agent material actual material, please. So based on subject, I can walk through actual, right? And then I'm repeating again to get this material. Please drop a mail to this mail ID, Daniel. I'm sorry, sir. Hold on. Daniel, spell mistake here actually. I'm sorry. Somebody already dropped, I guess, actually. Daniel, Gen AI 77. I'm repeating again. Daniel, DANIEL, Gen AI 77. At the rate gmail.com actually. Fine then. So let me just let me continue. Yeah. Definitely. I can share. Now it's the right time. Let me continue with the discussion. You will get an idea. Where are we? Now I need to continue with key characteristics. Key characteristics of what exactly AI agents. There are some points. Let me talk with you. Uh, Tim, if anyone is in job trials, actually, I would like to tell one thing. In your resume, adding Python, Pandas, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, kind of these are all things helpful for you. No doubt in that. Your profile will get shortlisted based on the topics only. But if you included kind of some currently the trending topics actually, and which is cutting edge technology, like a kind of some AI agents, agentic AI, RAG, LLM, these are all, it will be added. It will be what exactly? Added skill. It boosts your profile actually. It will be like a high picked profile. So ensure that, once after you understand these topics, you can include like, I have implemented a few POCs in AI agents actually. I'm sure you will get that confidence actually. Are you clear or not, sir? Yeah, good. Let's continue. There are some key characteristics you need to be understand. There are some key characteristics of AI agents. Few things will be anatomy. I'm sorry, autonomy. What is the next one? Perception, decision making, action, adaptability. Hey Daniel, what do you mean by autonomy? Sir, it operate independently. Talk with me. You know what? We are all humans. Almost all, we are all doing our task independently only. But let me tell you, a child he can be dependent. A child he can be. But let me tell you, in terms of the kind of some software application, if a application is available, it works independently. That is seriously awesome. That is one of the key characteristics of AI agent actually. It works independently. It never depends upon humans especially. It never depends on humans actually. That's what you need to be understand. The next one, perception. Sir, collects from the inputs actual. What do you mean by, receiving the data, especially from the input? That input, it can be anything. Either it can be stream data, a kind of some historical data, live streaming. One more thing we would have actually. It's okay. A kind of some different types of the data would have actually. Decision making. Talk with me. Analyze and act. So whenever you're talking about the decision, yeah, we are analyzing, being a human, and immediately we are taking action. We are taking, but AI agents takes like that actually, right? So can you talk with me? What is the first one? What is the first one, sir? One more time. All right. So autonomy. One more time. Autonomy. Next one will be perception, decision making, action, adaptability. Sir, what do you mean by action? Execute tasks like what exactly? Like responding or controlling the system. It is seriously awesome. And adaptability, improve over the time. Talk with me. Improve over the time actually. These are all seriously very good. And now these are all different type of AI agents. We are almost very near. We are almost very near for practical discussion. Another few pages actually. Um, would you have a different types of AI agents? I'm not covering whole. Why? Because they what are all important main component I'm covering. What is the first one? Talk with me. Reactive agents. One of the type of agents actually. These works. This like a rule-based chatbots actually. Response to input without memory. Response to input without. Whenever you're asking a question and it responds. What exactly? It responds. But no memory. I will talk with you why memory here required actually. Right. The next one will be what exactly, sir? Deliberative agents. What is that? Deliberative. Use reasoning and planning to make a decision. Kind of some self-driving cars actually. Okay. I'm talking like, AI agent, AI agent, AI agent. Would have a different types of AI agents actually. I have given examples like a self-driving car. Yes, in self-driving car, what type of agents deployed actually? Especially deliberative agents deployed. Why? Because uh, reasoning, and next one is what exactly, sir? Planning. Why these two things are required actually to make a decisions actually? This is seriously awesome. Okay. And the next point will be learning agents. What is the next one? Learning. Improve through experience and recommendation system. I would like to let me compare with always human. We on daily base we are improving through learning. On daily base we are improving through learning actual, right? So for us, kind of some situations would we have, and we are learning from our situation. But let me tell you, if there is a program, it is learning from previous experience. That is seriously awesome. That is called as a learning agents. That is called as a this is almost I can say nearby reinforcement learning. What learning, sir? Reinforcement learning actually. Improve through the experience, kind of some recommendation system. These are all. The next one will be multi-agent system, sir. I observed very closely to the almost all industries actually. Nowadays multi-agent system is booming like anything actually. And I will show you, there is a if you look at our index actually, there are a couple of examples. We are going to execute by using multi agents, a kind of some practical example I'm going to cover with you actually. Are you clear or not, sir? Fine then. Let me take one query from online team. I'm sorry, where are we? And here Daniel, multi agent system. One person is asking, can I check that one? Please once again share your mail ID actually. Right, so let me just have to share that one. Online team, hold on. Yeah, good. Let's move on. Sorry, online team. Let me just try to keep your holds on a few questions actually. It's a different types of robotics, right? Sir, IoT is a different, sir, and AI agent is a different actually, right? So let me give the difference also. You'll get an idea. This one is very very important, boss. This one is seriously very very important. Let's move on. The topic name is called as a need of AI agents. What is the topic name? Need of AI agents actually. Daniel, what do you mean by that? I thought to add one more topic also. The topic will be RAG perspective. What is the topic name? RAG, RAG, one of the highly advanced topic. But that one is what exactly, lengthy topic. If I included that one also, maybe weekend is gone. Weekend is, maybe that part let me include the later actually. Now, need of AI agents. First, I'm planning to cover. Currently, we are living in, on top of, first one is the software development. We already know. Talk with me, what is the first one? Software development. And at the same time, automation also we already know. What we know? Automation also we already know. And these two perspectives let me cover a kind of some. There are several key perspectives to understand about the motivation behind of AI agents. Now let me tell you why new technologies will come. This point you have to be understand why new technologies will come. In existing technologies, I cannot say drawbacks actually. There are some limitations would you have. What would you have? Drawback is the wrong word. I'm sorry for saying. There might be a limitation. To overcome that limitation, new technologies will come always actually. That's what you need to get a clear picture. Are you getting or not, sir? Right. Now let me explain about, the software development cycle perspective, how we can see the different view, AI agents, why AI agents came. Autonomous perspective. One more time, sir. Autonomous perspective. This is seriously good example. You will get an idea. Now let me tell you. And here onwards, almost the pictorial diagrammatic representation short actually. Make a note on this one. When you're talking about the software development perspective, let me tell you, imagine in a software company, different roles would you have? HR role, developer role, testing, manager, lead. These are all different roles would you have actually. I'm talking especially development purpose perspective. What perspective? Development in the sense, a programmer, he can sit and he can implement the programs actually based on client requirement. Based on, now read the sentence. if a program, I mean, think about the traditional software application. They operate based on this strict predefined rules actually. Strict predefined rules. Go back to the Python flow control chapter actually. Did you remember the flow control keywords? If, else, elif, these are all discussion actually, right? If a program needs to complete a task, every step must be explicitly we need to define. Sir, being a program, whenever you're writing a program actually, define task number 1, task number 2, task number 3. These are all tasks, how it will execute, Step number 1, condition number 1. Step number 2, condition number 2. Step number 3, condition number 3. These are all strict rules actually. If somewhere something goes wrong actually, go on case boss, right? Now, as a new scenario came into the picture, developer constantly so he's supposed to add what exactly? More conditions and logic. This is what you need to be understand. Imagine initially, client has given this kind of especially work actually. Now we thought client, we done the task actually. How many steps total? 3 steps. But suddenly client, what exactly happened, second time it has given the task. That task should be, you need to update the old task actually. You need to update. Yeah, it can be, best example, go to the WhatsApp actually. Initially it came up with only typing, a kind of some chatting actually. But later on what happened, sir? It came up with, a kind of some voice base, and it came up with video, audio. These are all things it came actually. Am I right or not, sir? Right. As a new scenario coming to the picture, developers constantly, so imagine previously step 1, step 2, step 3 he already done, but to implement the step number 4 he need to apply one small condition. What is that condition? Yeah, hello boss, if this step number 2 is okay, implement one more logic actually. Else, if step number 3, implement another logic which is called as a step 5. Otherwise, what exactly, sir? That's what you need to be understand. This is about the software development cycle. These are all, the software development is running with strictly based on rules actually. Rule number 1 passed actually, rule number 2, rule number 3, rule number 4, like this actually, right? Fine. Sir, over the time the system becomes more difficult to scale and maintain. This word is very very important, sir. Imagine if you are keep on adding almost all conditions, 100 conditions, 200 conditions, keep on adding more modules actually. A certain point of time, we may lose the control. We may lose what exactly? Control actually, right? So can you tell me what is the heading of this one? I need your response first, please. Software development. This is about the software development perspective actually. Perspective, viewpoint. So initially think like AI agents are not came. These are all software development is ruling actually. This is seriously awesome. This one is one of the important tasks actually. Make a note on this one. Can you read this? What is this? Traditional automation. If anyone is coming from testing background especially, you can easy to understand, right? Otherwise it's okay, I will tell you. In other words, traditional automation follows the strict predefined logic actually. What exactly, sir? Predefined logic. Especially if condition A, it is meeting, I mean it is met actually, then what is output? Talk with me. Just I need output as a X. If condition B is met, then Y. Otherwise, Z actually. Inputs have the predefined data type. Inputs have what exactly, man? Sir, there are some especially kind of some application. That applications, the data type will be static data type. What data type? If integer means integer only, how to provide. Not even float also it will not allow. Not even float also it will not allow actually. A kind of some, it is restricting us data type matters actually. Transformations on the input are mostly fixed, and output types also what exactly, sir? Now let me tell you, sir. Can you tell me? Imagine, integer you are providing. What you are providing? Integer. In a step number 1, it is passing through. Then we are getting what exactly, boss? Float actually. The next one will be, though this one is the float. Then what is the next one actually? This is seriously amazing. I mean, input you have to provide input only. I am sorry. Input you have to provide integer only. What you need to provide? From this, what I wanted to talk with you, sir, restricting data type, restricting. But let me tell you, in terms of the AI agents, what is the beauty, sir, you give me whatever the data type, I can handle actually. That is seriously great assurance for us actually. You give me what you have, you can give me actually. I take care control. That is seriously awesome. You can see the next slide. I'm sure you can understand the next slide very clearly. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, 1 minute. Let me talk with online team. Online team, Can I get a one huge response from everybody? Are you following everyone? Please, I request you. I'm seeing your response actually. Kishore Sarji and Asir sir, good. Srivastavan garu, Pavan, yeah. Thank you, thank you. Samadhan Sarji, that is one type of the robots actually. Kind of some different types of the robots. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Then fine then. Now, yeah, come on, come on. Look at my screen. Let me take a control. When to stick with automation, traditional automation. Team, today I wanted to talk with you. One small point. The point will be, see, even once upon a time, I praised automation. Automation is seriously awesome. I clapped actually. But don't think like today I'm just trying to giving wrong information about the automation. No, it's not like that. I'm not criticizing. I'm not here to criticize. I need to explain. These are all traditional, now upgraded actually. What exactly? Upgraded. That's what I'm talking with you, right? So that's what you need to be understand. When to stick? If any one of you asking, Are Daniel, when I can use traditional software? This is not a criticism, sir, of traditional automation. And we are not discouraging it actually. I'm not discouraging. But what we need to understand is, if it is working for your needs actually, stick with that. That is still fine. But I can tell you one thing, you are not upgrading actually. You are not what exactly, man? Upgrading. There is no need to build AI agents unless truly necessary. I wanted to tell you one thing. Don't think too much. AI agents is going to replace the whole world, all tasks actually. No, no, it is a wrong assumption. I will talk with you. When really AI agents is required, when really it is not required, I will tell you. I will tell you. Are you clear or not, sir? You will have a separate discussion. So if it is really very good approach, yes, you can follow the same. No problem at all. Why? Because sir, your business is running. What is running? It's okay. You can move on actually. No need to no need to migrate. So that's what I wanted to talk with you today actually. And fine. This is what you need to be understand. Why agents are different? Why agents are? First point, no need for explicit instructions, sir. No need for explicit. Explicitly, you no need to guide actually. Why? Because it is having learning system. What system? It learn actually. It can apply reason. Reasoning it will do. It will apply planning actually. So simple things like a human brain. Things like a human brain actually. They gather information dynamically. Such a great actually. It collects the data automatically. It collects the data. Imagine based on your requirement, it collects the data. That is seriously beautiful actually. The next one will be use reasoning for ambiguous problem. A kind of some too difficult math problems, which is literally confusing you. It takes care about this one. The next one, collaborate with other agents to complex task actually, a kind of some complete task. It's not like only one agent will work actually. Sometimes, best example, human and human, they supposed to, so collaborate each other and they need to finish the task actually. Best example, when I was working as a software developer, software development, especially like a Java developer, once my task is done, my co-developer also, a kind of some my peers in the sense what exactly, my teammates also, we need to integrate the code. Then finally we'll get a project code actually. Finally we'll get what exactly? And here also, a agent can interact with other agent actually. Agent can interact with what exactly? Other agent. Why? To finish the task. That's what you need to be understand. Then it can take the advantage of external tools for real-time decisions actually. It's not like, it is a very fixed. It can integrate with other tools also. It can integrate with what exactly? Other tools also. Now, what is the time? I need to, we're in page number 9 actually. Okay. So let me just try to walk through. Yeah, this slide you can easy to understand. How AI agents offer more flexibility. This is seriously amazing actually. You give whatever the data type you do have actually. A kind of some string data I do have, integer, table, markdown, PDF, JSON. Are you, sir? What type of data you do have actually you can give. And logic described in natural, this takes care automatically. And even if you want what kind of output also you can specify. Are you giving in a string actually? You want what type of output? Do let me know. I can just try to transform accordingly actually. Inputs are not limited as a specific data type. So here inputs is not fixed actual, right? You can just try to, they can text, number, PDF, table, markdown, JSON and more actually. Why? Because nowadays whenever you are working in a data science project, One client, it will tell my input is the PDF. One requirement, it will tell my input is the JSON. Another requirement, it will tell my input is the CSV actually. Boss, what input you do have, you can give me actually. I takes care about. AI agent is talking like this actually. That is seriously awesome. Transformations, and it takes very flexible, and depend on what you want actually, especially LLM. What is that? LLM. I will talk with you. What do you mean by LLM? Such a nice topic actually. Outputs can be varied. Tokens, list, structured data, so JSON, code and more actually. So do let me know what kind of output you need. We are ready to help you actually. Are you clear or not, sir? Right, good. Now the next one will be, yeah, there are some use cases I wanted to talk with you practically today actually. What is that one, till now, are you clear? What is the topic we are covering today? Agent. First point, I really appreciate, even though during weekend time also you guys are joining. I'm sure if you are really having this kind of interest to learn kind of some cutting edge technology, this is really very good actually. This is really very good. Even working people, they don't have a time to learn these are all upcoming technologies actually. I'm repeating again. Working people, they don't have a time. They are very busy in their schedule actually. But who are all having really some good enough time to free time to learning, please upgrade yourselves. It will be really helpful for you. Are you getting or not, sir? Right, fine then. Online team, I need one more response. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good, we are good to go, Daniel. Please proceed actually. This one will be more interesting. And I will tell you one small use case, you will get an idea. You will get an idea. Okay, fine then. So traditional approach for manual efforts required. Sir, in a world, please, before AI agents, especially as I told you, manual human intervention is required, human involvement is required. These are all things, right? I used to tell manual effort is required. What is required? Hey, Daniel, what do you mean by manual effort actually? Imagine Managing is some news aggregation platform that collects the article from the various sources actually. You might have heard about kind of some news shorts you might have heard about, right? So what they will do, they will collect the news, which is kind of some paragraphs actually. They can concise, they can precise, and they will share with just a matter of few lines actually. Just matter of what exactly? To do the task, what we need to do, sir, let me tell you. Traditionally, we need to manually extract and process the data from what exactly, boss? Let me take you one small example, you will get an idea. Look at the output. Think like, imagine if Google Chrome installed in your laptop actually. Google Chrome is giving a facility, sir, you can open any number of tabs. You can open in tab number 1, I have opened website number 1. In tab number 2, website number 2. In tab number 3, website number 3, I can say source 1. The next one will be source 2. Next one, source 3. And one more point will be extract articles. Can you talk with me? What is this one actually? DIV class. What is that? I will show you practically. Hold on. Imagine if you wanted to extract the specific articles actually. Backend there is some kind of some JavaScript, HTML embed code actually. That class you need to tag. I will tell you. Even extract newsletter, extract post actually. Can I take you one small example? You will get an idea. Hold on. I will show you. I'm especially focusing on why, because few of my especially to say few of my friends are working in especially for automation. What exactly? Testing automation actually. How they used to work, sir? 1 minute. Come on, please. Yeah, let me take this one. And Python. What is Python? From Wikipedia. What is Python? From Wiki. I wanted to see the answer from Wikipedia. Can I open this? Yeah, very good. Come on, look at my screen. Now in front end, you are able to see this kind of paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2, paragraph number 3. These are all things, right? Am I right? But if you wanted to capture this one, you need to write a one small script actually. That script, what it will do, you can just have to give a right click, view the source code actually. Where is that? Any idea? View page source, and inspect also we can do. A kind of some UI dev tools actually. F12 button also you can click. F12 button also you can click actually in your keyboard, and you can just try to hover your mouse. It will showcase automatically actually. And here, Daniel, I am looking for this paragraph, Daniel actually. These are all internally. It is strictly maintained with kind of some div class number 1, class number 2, class number 3 actually. Come on, here you can, sir, don't try to read actually. I'm not teaching HTML here. Class. Yeah. I'm sure here you can see. Yeah. This is what I wanted to talk with you. Can you talk with me? What is this one? Div class. And like this div ID, div class, div ID. If you wanted to capture the specific paragraph from the web page actually, you can access that specific paragraph by using kind of some class and ID. By using what exactly? Yeah, imagine you have written kind of some script and you are able to extract all the articles actually, and we need to write some program. This is also called as a web scraping actually. What is that? Web scraping, multiple websites we can do, filter, categorize articles using hard coded rules actually, manually verify whether the article is what exactly, sir, relevant or not. Now this one is, let me tell you, limitation. There is one small limitation. Unfortunately, if a website have done some changes in the layout actually, what exactly happen, sir? Your script may fail. Your script may fail. What exactly? Yeah, imagine you have written a script to connect with the one website, and after 2 days website changes may happen. What happened? The one who is creating that website, he done small changes actually, he deployed, then the program what we have written, it may break actually. That's what you need to be understand. So if new topics arises, and you must update what exactly, sir? Filtering the logic manually. Now here, what I mean to say that is, here manually you need to collect these are all information. What you need to do? Manually. But you know what? Hey Daniel, here if I have written AI agent, today I'm going to show you that example actually, that AI agents, no matter what, website updated or not, don't matter actually. Either logic is changed or not, it doesn't matter. It can capture automatically, no doubt at all actually. That is seriously awesome. You no need to touch the code actually. Then finally you will get output. What is expecting you are going to get actually. That is seriously awesome. Can I get a response from you? Right. And now, yeah, make a note. AI agents approach. Let me tell you. Hey, Daniel, you explained this example, right? You compared with kind of some one small diagram. Are you with me? This diagram, did you understand? Same diagram. Let us replace with AI agents topic actually. You will get a nice clarity, sir. You will get what exactly? Nice clarity. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, go. So AI agents approach in automation and intelligence actually. How AI agents work together? AI agents, here onwards, I may not pronounce AI actually. Let me tell agent. When I say agent, AI agents think like that. Think like that. Agents collaborate to automate the entire news processing workflow from the data collection, verification, and some summarization. Can you tell me what is the first one, sir? Data collection. Next one, verification. Next one, yeah, really important. Don't think like everything what you collected it is a useful actually. No. We have to verify either this one is useful or not. We have to verify actually. And the next one will be summarize. Once verification is done, think like you are getting 2 to 3 paragraphs actually. It's a good enough. You need to, best example, my material is like that only. I used to verify whatever I'm writing, then I can summarize precise and concise actually, right? Talk with me here. I'm going to explain with the different agents. What is the first one? A web scraper agent. Talk with me. The next one will be topic analysis agent. The next one, fact checking, fact verification, it's required actually. What is the next one? Summarization. Can I show you the diagram? You will get a nice clarity actually. This is seriously awesome, sir. Don't think like this one is a human. Think like it's a just a Python program. I'm going to show you. We are going to extract the information from the websites actually by using AI agent. Automatically discovers new sources. Automatically discovers actually. What is that? You no need to tell, hey, access this website, access this website, access this website. You no need to tell. If you are giving a small word like, can you talk about AI agents? Then this AI agent, it will walk through the all websites actually. It will collect the information. It will collect what exactly? That is seriously awesome. Automatically discovers some new sources and adopts to changes in the website. This is seriously amazing, sir. It is adopting automatically. If any changes happen, it takes care automatically. Talk with me. This word I like very well. Can you talk with me? Without manual intervention. Programmer, I mean, being a human, we no need to involve here actually. Now this is called as a, any idea? Scraper agent. scrapper. That is the name we have given. Don't Google it like, scrapper agent topic actually. No, no, no. This is the image we have created actually. That's what you need to get a clear picture, right? This scrapper agent, it is connecting automatically. Don't think like only three websites actually. It can be 30 websites also. It can be, this is called as a scrap, a kind of some web scrap actually. Can you tell me what is the first one? Web scrap. The next one will be, it's not only connecting with the websites actually. Once it is connected, it can contain n number of topics. It can contain, now the relevant topic is always matter. What is matter, sir? Relevant topic actually, relevant topic, right? Now that is the next one. Topic analyst and agent analyze the articles in a real time, and it detects emerging trends actually, and classifies content efficiency. This is seriously awesome, right? Once it is collected all articles, can you talk with me? Topic analyzer, it is analyzing actually. It is, it can keep making a note. Okay, what is important, what is important, what is important, it is making a note actually. I wanted to hear from you. What is the first agent? Scrapper agent. What is the second agent? Seriously, sir. For one task, one agent. Next task, next agent. Like that actually. We have to implement. Analyzing the articles and detecting the emerging trends actually. And emerging trends in the sense, currently what is trending. These are all things actually. Now the third one will be, what is the third one, sir? Fact checking agent. Talk with me. What is the third one? Fact checking agent actually. What do you mean by this? Cross referencing external data sources, verifying the claims for accuracy, detecting misinformation before publication actually. Best example, once the data is collected or not, once the data is collected, either the collected data is a valid format or not, or else it is either valid or invalid actually. It is going to verify. It is going to verify actually. Can you tell me what is the agent here? Fact checking agent actually. Good. These are all we are talking about agent, man. We are talking about what exactly? Agent. Then the last one is what exactly, sir? Summarization agent, right? Extracts key points from. Let me tell you. By looking at the diagram, you can understand many things, sir. That's what you need to be understand. In a olden days, instead of agent, we need to specify a kind of some predefined rules. Predefined. You need to write a program if condition number 1, condition number 2, condition number 3, condition number 4. But instead of all these predefined rules actually, create a one agent actually. Create what exactly? And we need to tell, hey agent, that too in a plain text actually. Your task will be connect with the website. You can just have to grab the information. That agent takes care automatically. That's really beautiful. A simple, pure Python program. What program? Yeah, I will show you. I will show you. The code base also will show you. You will get an idea. Till now, are you clear, sir? So I hope you are very clear. Now we are running out with, all right. Fine then. Yeah, good. So sometimes you need to be understand multi-agent framework also. What framework? It's not like only single agent is working. Agent number 1, agent number 2, agent number 3. It's not like that actually. So maybe this 3 you can walk through. I request you. Agent 1, it can finish task number 1. Agent 2, task number 3. Agent 3. Like this, respectively, all agents they will finish the task actually. You know what? At last, it can integrate all the tasks actually. At last, it can integrate in the sense, it can combine and it can showcase the result. So these are all things are happening actually. It is called as a multi-agent framework. Talk with me. Let me drink water. Now the next one, sir. I'm sure you might ever actually. Once you created an agent, it is really one of the great idea that agent and LLM integration also we can do. LLM best example is a ChatGPT. Best example is, so think like I have created one agent. Inside that agent, kind of some ChatGPT application we have done integration. Think like LLM, which is called as a large language models actually. If you really done that kind of integration actually, then the decision, it will be really enhancing your AI agents actually. That is really very great one. See, previously only agents, sir. Now can you talk with me? We have done integration with what exactly? LLM1, LLM2 for every agent, different types of LLMs actually. That is seriously awesome. Optimizing performance with multiple LLMs actually. Each agent use specialized, a kind of some specialized LLM for a task. Selecting the best LLM enhance efficiency and what exactly, sir? Accuracy. What do you mean by that? there are some paid, a kind of some paid sources would you have, free sources would you have. If you are really selecting the best one, you will get a efficient and accuracy actually. That's what you need to be understand. Talk with me. What is the next one? AI agents, learning and adapting. Simple. What I wanted to talk with you today, sir. It is learning. Not only learning, it is adopting. What is that? Adopting. Right. The agents continuously learn, adopt, and optimize. They update automatically without human intervention. Beyond fixed rules required actually. They collaborate. But let me tell you one small point. We are in exactly what era, you know. Even recently we got a KT from my client actually. One of the teammate, he asked a question. Uh, can you tell me, when you're talking about AI agents, is it going to replace with all tasks actually? Then client have given the best answer. First of all, we need to create a AI agents. Now AI agent also need some feedback system. What system? Best example, when you are growing, you know, you can share your thoughts to your parents, then the parents will share the feedback, then what are all good activities you can follow actually. Here also AI agent needs at certain point of time, hey, I have done this task, is it valid or not, can you please confirm, you know, human feedback system is required. What is required? Once the feedback system is really amazing, it takes care automatically actually. Next time onwards it is not required actually. Are you clear or not, sir? When I say human intervention is not required, not required, not required, but at certain point of time, feedback matters. What matters? Hey, hey agent, yesterday I have given one task actually. Excellently you have done. If you want go to the chat GPT, it is, you are asking what is a Python. It is giving answer actually. You can text to the chat GPT, thank you, you have given the best answer. Then it feels like a human actually. It feels like that is a feedback system, sir. What system? And they will share the thumb symbol also. Are you with me? Yeah, that's really important. Okay. I'm sorry. Now I wanted to talk more on, now we are in page number 16. Yeah, yeah, please, please. I can take this diagram and I can talk with you. Autonomous system perspective. Till now, what are all things I have explained? Only one point actually. Software system perspective, a kind of some software development perspective. What perspective? In a software development, what are the limitations would you have? If you done integration with especially AI agents, how it is going to overcome? That kind of examples we have seen. Now today, I wanted to talk with you LLM perspective also. A kind of some autonomous system. What system? What do you mean by autonomous system? Let me tell you. Limitations of traditional LLM. Sir, you know what? LLM on an average some 3 to 4 years back came actually. Now I am using the word. What is the word actually? Traditional. Traditional actually. You have to understand. Sir, user must refine outputs manually. Whenever you are interacting with, let me tell you, Chat GPT, first answer you asked actually, and you can take that answer. You can still ask one more thing. Can you please explain about this line? You can still ask one more time. Can you please explain about this word actually? Can you please explain about this sentence actually? These are all keep on manual intervention is required. What is required? Yeah, let me tell you. Ask a question, review the response, then adjust the prompt actually. Adjust. You might heard about, you know, before 4 years, prompt engineer. What engineer? You know, you have to ask exact to the chat GPT how it is understanding. That is called as a right prompt is required. What is required? Prompt is required actually. Then it responds very nicely. Let me tell you. And adjust the prompt actually. And repeat until what exactly is satisfied. Think like this is my image actually. Right? Now, what exactly happening, sir? We're instructing, open, you know, do this. Change it. Talk with me. Change this. The next one will be update this. We are keep on involving, sir. And it is connecting, and finally a kind of some chat GPT opening. And finally we are getting what exactly mean? Output actually. Are you with me? Exactly this is happening with the chat GPT. You're asking something, you're updating something, finally you are refining what exactly you want actually. So the challenge, there is a one small challenge here actually. What is a small challenge, you know, sir? Imagine you need a report like a latest AI research paper actually. Now can you read actual latest AI research trends? Then what exactly? Ask for a summary, and the next one, recent AI papers, review the response, request a kind of some different different list of papers actually. Notice outdated sources, notice I will talk with this one. Repeat the process. Repeat what exactly mean? Process actually. All right. Now imagine if your requirement is kind of some latest AI research trends actually. This is the process. Imagine, let me tell you, AI agents in a research. So think like I have created a few snapshots. You will get an idea. Hold on, hold on. I will get an idea. Automate the data gathering, analysis, and verification. AI agents, what it will do, you know, sir? Automatically, automatic the data gathering, analysis, and what exactly? Verification. What I wanted to talk with you is, when you're talking about the chat GPT, you have to specify, you know, can you collect this information? Can you collect this information from this source actually? From this source, you have to explicitly we need to provide actually. But when it comes to AI agents, explicitly you don't need to provide, sir. You know, it reduces the need for constant user input, enhance the efficiency and accuracy in a research actually. Okay. A research agent, talk with me. Previously kind of some 4 agents we have created, right? That is for different application. Now for this application, what is required, you know? Research agent. Now this theory you can walk through, I request you. This research agent program, it will connect automatically AI research papers. Talk with me. AI kind of some different sources. This one is one of the top research papers you can find here. Google Scholar. The next one will be Semantic Scholar. Sir, it takes care about the source points automatically. A research agent. Then can you talk with me the next one? Once the data collection is over, it's supposed to filter the right papers. It's supposed to filter, yeah, right papers actually. Think like these are all a bunch of research papers. A filtering agent is working here. And you know, Daniel, I have filtered these are all the right one actually. Make a note on this one, right? I ensure that you have to be understand. Can you talk with me? What is the first one? Research agent. The next one will be filtering agent. These are all you need to be understand. What is the next one? Summarization agent, right? You know, summarization is agent is helping us to get the insights actual. At last, what is required in sir? Formatting. Let me tell you, even I can give the theory like a notepad actually, and I can share the images. You cannot understand. But once I collected the information, I just supposed to summarize and I just supposed to format the document actually. What exactly? That format really helps you to understand the things very clearly. And here also, it is just trying to formatting agent actually. What do you mean by formatting agent? Once it is collected all insights actually, format the agents, then finally we'll get a right summary. We'll get what exactly, sir? Right summary, right? So these are all things you need to be understand. Now let me drink water. Meanwhile, I can talk with you. Online team, maybe I can tell maybe the last 1 hour I drive with theory actually. You know, so we are almost nearby practicals. Get ready. You have to do setup in your laptop actually. I will help you. Fine then. Let me drink water. Yeah, let's move on. There are some core components of AI agents. There are some core components of what exactly? AI agents. So there are exactly some 6 components, sir. These components are helping how to plan, how to reason, how to think like a human, how to act autonomously. There are 6 building blocks actually. Maybe in a high level explanation I can give. What is the first one? Talk with me. Role playing. Every agent need these role information, sir. Whenever you are creating an agent, I can even say important interview question. Even important interview question. And when you are working in especially projects, actually, these are all things are important. Talk with me. What is the first one? Role playing. Next one, focus, tools, cooperation, God, rails. One more time, God, rails. Actually, the last one will be memory. Let me give a high level explanation. The good news will be once I done this one, then we are entering into the practical. You know, there is a good news I can say. Look at the diagram, sir. Look at the diagram. Role playing. Think like there is a software company. A manager, he got a task actually. He got a project. I'm sorry. He got a project. Then manager supposed to play the role. He's supposed to divide the task. Developer number one. Come on, listen carefully. Developer number one. Your task is this one. Your role is this one. Your role is this one. Your role is this one. Get ready for any requirement. If you are planning to create a agents, actually, role system is very, very important. What system? Role. agent I'm going to create, your role is like this. Your role will be connect to the websites and get the data relevant information. That is the role actually. That is what exactly, sir? Role, right? If you want, let me showcase and kind of some code base actually. Can I show you this code base? We can get an idea. Imagine. All right, sir. Can you read this one actually? Any idea? Role. Whenever you are creating an agent, actually, role you have to specify. What you need to specify? Let me ask you a question. If you are from Python, especially, if you are from Python, and if you are from Python background, can you talk with me? What is the agent? Class. What is the task actually? Class. What is the crew? Class. What is the process? What is the load underscore dot env? Function. That's really beautiful actually. Are you with me? Especially if you are from, I'm sorry, especially if you are from Daniel actually, these are all fundamentals you should be aware actually. What is a class? What is a function? See, you may not involve in coding, but easily you are able to recognize what is a class, what is a function. Why? Because throughout my session I used to highlight that things actually. Online team, am I right or not, sir? I wanted to talk with you. This whole line is called as object creation. What creation? Then this line also object creation. Can you tell me what is this line during object creation? Can you tell me what is this? Excellent, sir. My favorite syntax actually. Keyword augment. Then the whole line is called as object creation. Whole line is called as a. Trust me, you can understand the code like anything actually. You can, right? Anyway, let me stop my overaction. Let us continue the discussion actually. I'm just kidding, please. Yeah, the first one, role plays important role. Role plays very important role actually. A specific roles enhance the task specialization. You have to define the roles, improve structured and relevant response, clearly identify and object to ensures better aligned outputs actually. So think like there is a manager, he is a senior developer. Senior developer, he should know his roles actually. Then he can perform the task very well. Best example, let us take in our family. Sir, father has his own role. Am I right? Mother has her own role. They can play their role very well actually. First of all, you need to define your role whenever you are creating an agent actually. That is really matter. The next one is what exactly, sir? Content writer. The next one will be research analyst actually. Research analyst. Let me tell you one small point. Can you talk with me what is this role actually? Content writer. So think like I have created a kind of some, no, this one is a single agent. Think like I have created a multi-agent. Agent number 1, agent number 2, agent number 3. Agent number 2 should be involved in what exactly? Content writer. No, I will involve in a research analyst actually. No, please. What is your role? Talk with me. Please do your task very properly actually. That we are so happy. Are you getting or not, sir? Right. Role. Role plays very important, very key role actually. What is the next one? Focus. Sir, imagine senior developer, he is supposed to focus on what is the main objective. Conclusion of the story, once you define the role, please specify with that role what are all activities you have to do actually. What are all activities you have to do, that we need to specify. That is called as a focus. That is called as a kind of some ensures agents stay aligned with their objective actually. Can you tell me what is the first one? Role. Talk with me. Next one, focus. One more time. First one, next one, focus. Focus in the sense, focus on object actually. Objective, right? Let's move on. It minimizes the error, improves accuracy. More data, it's not always better actually. Structured input leads better results. So don't think like, if you're having more data, you will get the best results. Don't think like that. Don't think like that. Objective specification is really important. The first one will be the focus. I'm sorry. First one is the role. Next one is the focus. Sir, the next one will be the tools. Tools integration required. What is required? Tools integration. Tools integration. Now we are going to integrate with one tool today. Enhance AI agents beyond the text-based reasoning and enable real-time data. What is this one? Real-time data retrieval and system interaction actually. Best example, this real-time data is really important. What do you mean by real-time data? Now the session started at 9. All you guys are seriously involving actually. So suddenly in between this 1.5 hour, there might be generated some news. That news is called as a, what exactly, sir? Real-time data. What data? People always, they wanted to know about the real-time data. Yeah, I need information. Best example, sir. Just to half an hour back, there is some incident happen. That we wanted to know. We don't want historical data. We don't want what exactly? In 1990s data, I will show in the sense, sometimes I need a historical data. I need what exactly? Real-time data. Best example, whenever you are watching cricket, actually, what is important? Score, a kind of some score. You are watching the cricket, the score. You can scroll automatically. Am I right or not, sir? That is really important. Real-time data is really important. So research analyst, ask anything. It is connecting with this app, actually it is connecting with this tool, it is even connecting with this one. The agent number one, it is almost connecting with all tools, actually tool number one, tool number two, tool number three, and it is integrating, it is getting the information, actually. Can you tell me what is the first one? Role. Next one, focus. Next one, tools, actually. We are good to go. What is the next one, sir? Cooperation. And here, yeah, I have created a few agents, actually. There are total 6 agents would you have. And yeah, one of the agent, multi-agent system. Enabling multi-agent collaboration. So one agent can connect with other agent. All agents are integration with each other, sir. Then you will get a nice output, actually. Best example, imagine if you wanted to deliver one small project, actually. Sir, almost everybody is supposed to cooperate each other. Manager, lead, developers, testing team, these are all things supposed to be involved. They need to know their roles, actually. They need to finish their task. Then finally we can finish the project. Finally we can finish what exactly? Project, actually, right? So imagine he is the user. A kind of some, he has a query and response. A kind of something like, agent number one, it is taking that query, analyzing. Agent number two, a kind of some agent number three, a kind of some agent number four. In terms of the working perspective, I'm talking, actually. Make a note on this one. These are all different roles they used to involve, actually. This one is called as a cooperation. Also, you can call as a multi-agent system. What system? Multi-agent system, actually. Multi-agent system. Sir, this one is very important. Can you read what is this one? Guardrails. One more time. Guardrails. Best example, let me tell you. What do you mean by guardrails? Go to the chat GPT. Go to the chat GPT. Whenever you're asking a question, what is a Python? It is not giving 1 lakh words result. It is not giving 10 lakh words, actually. Whenever you're asking a question to the chat GPT, backend guardrails are available. What it will do, please ensure that you have to limit your answer. You have to limit a kind of some, at certain point of time you have to stop. At certain point of time you have to stop, right? Now make a note on this one. Keeping AI agents trustable, implement safely, measures controlled behavior, actually. What behavior, sir? Controlled behavior. Prevent the false information. Infinite loop. What is that? Infinite loop. Whenever you're asking what is a Python, you should not give keep on answer, actually. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, infinitely. It should not give. And unreliable, decisions, actually. Ensure that, so this one is a agent. You have to specify the roles. Sir, he's supposed to know about his focus, actually. And here also, what exactly? Guardrails required. Examples of the effective guardrails, let me tell you. Limit to tool usage. I'm not sure either you know about the OpenAI. Initially, they have given kind of some free API keys, actually. And by using that API key, only you will get a limited to token answers, actually, right? Prevent the excessive API calls or irrelevant queries. Validation checkpoints. Can you talk with me? Validation check ensures outputs meet quality standards before proceeding. And fallback mechanism. This one is important, sir. Can you read one more time? Fallback mechanism enables human or agent intervention when need. Yeah, exactly. As I told you, enables human. Imagine fallback mechanism or agent intervention when it is really needed, actually. Maybe almost good news. Oh, one more page. Yeah, here onwards, practical discussion will start, sir. Maybe, yeah. It will walk through very quickly. Can you tell me what is the last one? Memory. So without memory, and next one will be with memory. All right. So let me tell you, this one is the agent. It's supposed to know its roles, actually. It's supposed to focus, and guardrails is important. Memory. Agents reset every session, leading to repetitive interactions actually. So let me talk, best example will be ChatGPT. Best example is without login. Think like without login. You are asking something. Imagine after 1 hour, you closed your system. You restarted actually. You open the ChatGPT. Do you think ChatGPT will continue from previous behavior actually? No. So that the session reset actually. Reset in the sense, it lost the data. But once you log in, especially you are keeping hitting for so and so topic actually. Now let me tell you, today you are asking about the topic. You can shut down your laptop. After 5 days also you can open actually. What exactly happened, with memory? It can just try to store what you are asking actually. Exactly, that is called as a with memory. Next one will be without memory. Agents retain context, refine responses, and improve decision making over time actually. This is seriously amazing. Yeah, let me drink water, sir. Almost in another 2 minutes, we are going to start the practical discussion. I'm sorry, let me tell you. Instead of theory, I like practicals very well, but I should not attack directly. Sir, this one is agents. Agents are looks like this. No, 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 no. That is a wrong way of delivery actually. Now, till now, I explained theory. I know you spend some time, but let me tell you, we have to revise 2 to 3 times. Why? Because these are all new keywords for you. These are all I tried my best, concise the information. I tried my best to give the best format actually. And in your free time, you just need to walk through and elaborate more actually. We'll get a clear picture. Are you clear till now? I need a response from you. Thank you, sir. Srikant Sarji. Thank you. Thank you for your. No, 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 no. Session is not at over. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One of the attendees telling Srikant Sarji, material is very good actually. Sir, thank you. Thank you. These kind of comments helpful for me to improvise. Yeah, yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir. Cool. Fine. Let us enter into the discussion. Can you talk with me? What is this one? So till now, I told, sir, agents works like this, agent are like this, agents are like this. I bold statements. I have given many things. Now it's the right time to do all these tasks. There is a one library is required for us. There is a kind of some one framework is required for us. A kind of some black box. End-to-end details I need actually. Then there is one framework. That framework name is called as a Crew AI. What is that one? Crew AI. It's a Python. Wow. I like this word, sir. What word actually, I guess? Yeah, I like this word very well. Though it's Python, I'm talking actually. It's Python framework for building multi-agents as AI system actually. By using this one, we can create a specialized agents with unique roles, collaborate, specialize, and automatic the task very well actually. How Crew AI enhance AI agents actually? Okay. Yeah, make a note on this one. How Crew AI enhance AI agent. Sir, first point, multi-agent system is available. What is available? One agent, it can interact with other agent to finish the task. The next one will be specialization. You can specify, hey, agent number one, your role is like this. Don't cross your limit. Agent number two, your role is like this actually, right? These are all. Then what is the next one? Task automation. We can do very easily. Memory and context. With memory context, we can do. Next one will be tool integration. Next one, accuracy. Sir, company need accuracy, boss. You are delivering the task at the same time, accuracy matters. How effective it is. These are all things actually. Anyway, this I hope you can easy to understand. Can you read along with me? Multi-agent system, specialization, task automation, memory and context, tool integration, accuracy and efficiency, right? So adapt to goal-driven AI agents. With Crew AI, we can efficiently create, adapt to goal-driven AI agents, a kind of some collaborative, execute complex tasks independently actually. Daniel, that's okay. We understand these are all things, right? So to understand today practical discussion, you need to understand a few more things actually, sir. Can you read this one? What is this? Olama introduction. Oh, Lama introduction, right? It enables running and customized LLM locally. This is seriously very good. Do you know about the chat GPT? It chat GPT kind of some same environment. I cannot talk about accuracy, same kind of environment. You can install in your laptop. You can open the kind of some command prompt. You can play and you can ask actually. locally we can install. What is that? Locally, right? And it is a running, it is a kind of some local running, customizing LLM locally, avoids cloud dependency. Hey Daniel, as of now, I don't want to deploy my application in cloud actually. Can I install, can I deploy in my local machine actually? Local machine in the sense in our laptop, we can do. That we can do actually, right? It's a open source AI model. Optimized for efficient and what exactly? Local deployment. I will tell you how Olama enhance AI agents. Sir, local execution. Happily you can, in your laptop, you can install. Optimized performance. Yes, don't think like, though it is getting the free, it is a open source. Though it is getting free, it is giving as a free actually, and it will give the right answers. You need to be understand. Seamless model management actually. It takes care about a kind of some load, switch and fine tuning easily. Lightweight and scalable. AI agents compatibility actually. Kindly please walk through. These are all you can understand. Can you talk with me? What is the first one? What is the first one previously? Crew AI. The next one will be Olama introduction actually. Olama introduction. Now, yeah. It's a main point. We are going to start creating a AI agents. Practically, we are entering. Are you ready? Yeah. Get ready. Online team. If you want, you can parallelly also. If you want, you can just try to execute. If anyone joined in between, a small announcement. If anyone joined in between, a small announcement actually. To get this material, please drop a mail to this mail ID. My mail ID is my mail ID is Daniel Gen AI 77, you know, at the rate gmail.com. At the rate gmail.com actually. Okay. Thank you for understanding. So let us move on actually. Guru Sarji. Yeah. I'm going to share. I'm going to share. Srivaswan Sarji. So let me start. You will get an idea. Let me start. You will get an idea. Now let's move to the completing, implementation using CrewAI and open source framework like this actually. Assign roles. We are going to assign set a goals, integrating tools and using any LLM actually. In my laptop, I have configured two LLMs especially with OpenAI, and the next one will be LLM Olama also. I will show you how to do actually. Sir, this one is the environmental setup. This one is, oh, part number two need this one actually, but as of now, part number one document, only the first one is fine actually. Sir, so simple. This is one of the library again. How to install, data science related library? Talk with me. Pip install. That's it. Crew AI. What is that? Crew AI. Simple. You can install. But let me tell you, it takes some time. Whenever you are installing this one, it takes some time. Ensure that. If you want, I can just try to execute in my laptop. We already done the setup actually, and this laptop is a little slow. I'm sorry for this. Pip install Crew AI. Though this one is a live session, I may not uninstall. I will show installation in front of you. So I'm sorry. Why? Because this one is a live session actually. Ensure that you please make a note. But I'm giving the procedure. You need to follow the procedure from our material actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, good. So that would be really good to follow. Many times I covered already. If the library is already installed, you will get a kind of some message. What is that message? Requirement is already. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. Choosing the right LLM for Crew AI. Choosing the right LLM, right? So Olama serves LLM locally for seamless performance. Sir, initially playing with this one is the best approach actually. I will show you how to do this one. And Crew AI supports multiple provider including OpenAI. You can just try to integrate with OpenAI, Gemini, Grok, Azure. Would have a different LLMs would you have? But on an average, 3 to 4 you have to be an idea actually. This flexibility, I mean, so with Crew AI, these are all things we can integrate actually. But today my main focus will be how to use Olama. Practically you are going to get an idea actually. Yeah, Daniel, this one I'm talking. If anyone having open API key, if anyone having open, to get a open AI, what do you mean by that, Daniel actually? So a kind of some LLM I wanted to interact with open AI. Then I am not sure whether you know or not actually. We have to register with OpenAI company. We have to sign up, and you have to pay in $8. A kind of some dollars you need to pay, but don't go for that one. Initially playing with Olama is the really best actually. Are you clear or not, sir? But I have an account. I already configured in my laptop actually. I have open API key, and I will show you how it will be actually. In your environment variables, you have to set up. Maybe, later I can talk with you how to do setup. These are all things actually. But without this one also, we are going to execute all examples. Are you clear about this? Make a note on this one. Make sure replace your open API key with your actual open API. I mean, here you have to specify your open API key. This allows create authentication and interact with OpenAI actually. Yeah, the next one, this one is a really important step. Come on, get ready, sir. It's the right time. Download Olama. Get it from official website actually. When it comes to Crew AI, pip install Crew AI. But when it comes to Olama, what we need to do, sir? Click on this website. Click on this website. Come on, can you talk with me? Yeah. Now, can you look at this one? What is this option? Talk with me. You can click on this. Once you click on the download, either Mac OS or Linux or Windows, actually, you have to click on this one. The moment whenever you are choosing this one, download for Windows actually, sir, you know what? On an average, I can I say more than 1 GB? Oh, you already done installation? Yeah, nearby 1 GB actually. Nearby what exactly, sir? 1 GB. Once you have downloaded, any idea? This one is a .exe file. What file? What we need to do with the .exe? We have to install. You have to? I need your response. You have to install actually. Sir, once you done installation, what happened, what happened, back in Olama, it will automatically run your system. It will, you can just try to see here actually. Maybe hold on. Let me show you the hidden icon. Are you able to see same icon actually? Yeah, it is running in the backend. Once you download it, you have to run that one. You have to run that one actually. Very good. Online team, I need your response, sir. Simple, simple. I'm repeating again everything we have documented. You need to walk through actual. And you have to install on screen steps in the sense, you have to just click and just try to give a double click actually. It is easy. It is easy. Verify installation version. Daniel, I wanted to verify installation version. This one is a command. You can just have to take this one, open command prompt, and you can just have to check here actually. Team, please. Very good. So and so version. Yeah, successfully installed. So online team, somebody is responding. Array Daniel, I have done installation. Great, sir. Great actually. Then you are more active. Then download model. It's a right time. Once you done installation, you have to download the model. You have to download model actually. So this one is very, very important. This one is very, very important. Online team. Let me share this comment. This over chat actually. Open the command prompt, and here you just need to specify here. Then can you talk with me? What is this one? Pulling manifest, and it is supposed to download automatically. I already done actually. Once it is done, then can you tell me what is the message here? Success. These are all steps you have to be performed. Come on, let me repeat one more time. Daniel, can you repeat the process one more time? Simple, sir. First of all, go to the website, download, install. Once you done installation, check the version. Daniel, is it important? Just showcase I'm telling. Check the version actually. Then this command you need to work actually. Sir, once this command is working, setup is ready. The environment setup is ready. Then Daniel, can I run this one? Yes, you can run actually. You can just try to go to the command prompt and you can just try to, yeah, let us run this one. Olama run that version. Okay, it is being getting running. Hold on. No, 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 don't worry, don't worry. I'm trying to scrolling and it is running in the behind. This is not my personal laptop. It's Naresh IT laptop. A little slow. Ayo, please. How long time it takes, sir? Meanwhile, I can walk through the document. You will get an idea. This we'll see later. Can I walk through meanwhile? Is it okay? Yeah, yeah. I thought it's slow, but I never thought it is this much. Okay. Sir, once these are all steps done, get ready, so locally you done setup actually, right? It's the right time you can interact with these are all thing. That is really great idea, creating a AI agents by using crew AI, kind of some agents we are going to create. Role you need to specify, goal you need to specify, backstory I will talk with you. What do you mean by backstory? These are all important. Can you read one more time? Role, goal, backstory. These attributes enable agents to perform. These are all keyword arguments actually. I will talk with you. Yeah, the first example we are entering. The first example we are entering actually. Let's close this. We can do, sir. But after done installation about this, if you want, you can just try to give a system is a bit slow. Okay, please, let's move on. Your system supposed to be some good configuration. What is that? Good configuration. Come on, let's move on. Sir, we are going to working with one example. Single agent workflow. Now I will show you total 4 examples. First 2 examples are single agent. Next 2 examples are multi agents. What is that? Multi agent. You should understand actually. Only one agent, how it can deliver the task. A multi agent system, how it will deliver the task. You should get an idea. Only one agent is assigned to a task, handles the entire process independently. Simple, efficient, and best focused task actually. Writing article. We are going to see. Uh, there are mainly 2 types of agents actually. So there are mainly 2 types of what exactly, sir? Agents actually. Yeah. Somebody telling what is the GB actually. Sir, once you done installation about this Folama, what happened, Ayo, sir, I'm unable to refresh also. We are sorry. Yeah. Now it is running. You can just try to say hello. Like a chat GPT, you can say hello, right? In your local, you done installation about Volama, and a kind of some local LLMs, it will respond actually. See, it will respond. You are saying hello. Yo, when I will get response actually. How can I assist you today? Very good, sir. What it is telling? Thank God I got quick response actually. Okay. You can just try to ask, how are you? I'm just language model. So I don't have a been feelings or emotions like what exactly humans. However, I am functioning properly and ready to help with what exactly mean. Any questions or tasks you may have. It's a great to, oh my God, you can just try to walk through. I hope you know English actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. You can walk through, please. We don't have that much luxury time to walk through. Like this, you can ask queries. Conclusion of the story, in our local, we done LLM setup. What setup actually? That we are going to use actually, that we are going to use, right? It would be good to close this one, otherwise it occupies more memory. And even once you done, sir, it occupies memory. Can you tell me how much? Get ready in your laptop and get ready. It will occupy. You may feel little slow, not huge actually, little slow actually. Get ready to understand, right? Yeah, anyway, Daniel, please proceed. Yeah, boss. And we are I can, but one small point I'm telling, to understand all these examples, first two point you have to be master in Python. You have to be enough. If you know Python actually, so that I can walk through high level. Ensure that you know that I can walk through high level actually. There are 2 types of agents. The first one will be single agent. The next one will be multi agents, right? And single agent, only one agent it will work. Multi agents collaborate with different agents and workflow will be divided. A kind of some agent number 1, agent number 2, and complex projects requiring this kind of flow actually. This is seriously awesome. I'm sure if you already learn about my course previously, I used to follow one flow. Especially, let me talk about high level, machine learning, deep learning. These are all tasks actually. Am I right? I like to divide the program always like a steps wise. Sir, madam, step number one, step number two, step number three. Today also, I came up with the the same strategy actually. What is that strategy, sir? Talk with me. What is the first one? Importing libraries. I'm going to show you kind of some examples. The first point will be, we need to import the required libraries. The second point will be configure the LLMs. Talk with me. You have to configure, you have to configure a LLM. Why? Because agent supposed to interact with LLM. That agent and LLM integration we are doing actually. The next one will be create agent. Next one will be create agent actually. Create agent. It can be agent number one, agent number two. Do you think ETC means agent actually? Continuation, sir. Step number 4, create a task. What is that one? Create a task or define a task. Step number 5, create a crew. Create a crew. Step number 6, run the crew. Execute the crew. Kick off the crew. These are all terminology. Step number 7, check the response. Very simple. Something like a 7 steps. Something like a, are you with me or not, sir? How simple it is. Let me show the code actually. Yeah, Daniel. Yeah. Online team, hold on. Let me just try to look into that. Srivastava Sarji. When it comes to Open API key, environment variables we have to set up actually. We have to set up environment variable like maybe that I already covered previously. Just you need to do little R&D how to set these are all environment variable. Yeah. But if you install Olama, this is you can make it optional. But in my laptop, I do have that setup actually. We are going to work. But let me tell you, almost we are going to run 4 examples. Only the last example required OpenAI. I would like to show you. And the first 3 examples without OpenAI key, and we can run actually. Can I continue? Srivastava Sarji, I appreciate. Yeah. Thank you. Where are we? Now, I hope when it comes to code level. Yeah. Daniel, can you tell me like a use case wise actual? Hello world example. First I will talk with you. You don't know about the AI agents. First learn from hello world example onwards actually. Simple AI workflow using Crew AI to generate friendly greeting. Now I'm going to run one AI agent. It is going to say, it is going to wish you like a hello, how are you? It is going to wish you like what exactly? Understand the flow. The motto behind of creating this example will be, you will get an understanding. Okay, importing the library, configure the LLM, create a agent, create a task, create a crew, execute the crew, check the response. Check what exactly? Response. These are all steps you will get an idea. See, nicely I have given. Sir, step number 1, we are doing these are all things. Importing the libraries required essential from crew and LLM, configure the LLM, and step number 3, blah, 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 you need to walk through. We are going to create agent and define its role, goal, and backstory. A friendly message, it is going to respond. And we are going to create a task. Your task will be, hey agent, your task will be, you have to say hello world and define task, assign specific task to the agent actually. Create a crew, group the agents. If it is a multi-agent actually, group the agent. But anyway, here only one agent. We need to assign what is your task actually. Uh, Run the crew, execute the crew, execute the workflow, check the response. Talk with me, check the response. I'm sorry, previously these are all a kind of some very short actually, but here I'm explaining like a lengthy process. Yeah, we are entering. This is about our flow, sir. Are you ready? In our material, you can see very clearly. Online team, I hope you're able to see. If anyone is new to my session, I would like to showcase our example in such a way that, in a document wise, actually, you will get a nice clarity. You can just try to easy to understand. Step number 1, can you talk with me? What is the first one? Importing the libraries. Step number 2, configure the LLM. Step number 3, create a, no. Don't think too much. I'm simply scrolling. I will open the source code actually. I will open the code and I will run, right? I'm sorry, live I may not type and I may not execute. Why? Because already if I really open the notepad and if you're really typing actually, get ready, you can have lunch at your 2:30. Are you okay actually? No. I know you are looking at me very seriously. Step number 3, creating an agent and creating a task actually. But I will explain. High level I will explain. Daniel, this is the output actually. What is output? These are all things output you are going to get. Come on. let me show the output actually. Sir, trust me, I have formatted our material. On an average, how long time I spend, to create this material? For me, it takes around some 2 to 3 hours actually. How long time? With my all previous experience, I like material preparation. First of all, I spend some time 2 to 3 hours. It taken really nice time for. Trust me, I'm sure it will be the talk with me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanted to hear, sir. Yeah, yeah. Open the code base. Greetings demo one. You can just try to walk through greetings demo one.py. Greetings demo. It's not close this. Once we done the examples, we can leave. We can actually. Can I continue? It won't take much time. Trust me, it won't take much time. I will run and you will get an idea. First of all, please understand, first example is important. First example is very, very important, sir. So simple, first of all, we have to import all crew AI. And individually, it would be good to import all classes. Agent, task, crew, LLM. These are all predefined classes. There are many ways. Daniel, can I give comma, task, comma, kind of some comma? Sir, many ways we can do actually. If you know Python, knowing Python really it will be helpful for you actually, right? Step number 2, we need to configure the LLM. We need to configure the LLM actually. Yeah, to configure the LLM, one point, let me tell you. My style is, I can tell this one, I would like to execute examples in a notepad or notepad plus plus actually. If you want, you can execute in a Jupyter also. PyCharm also, but I like notepad execution. It will be more clarity for you actually. Okay. Yeah, sir, we need to create an object for LLM. You already imported LLM, right? You need to create an object, and here you need to configure model equals to Olama so and so model you are importing in your laptop. Did you remember? You already get the downloaded the model actually. Once you downloaded the model, then what we need to do, base underscore URL, and you have to provide this one. If you are running this one, it will tell Olama is running. Please. All are executed examples. No doubt in that. Yeah. Can you tell me what is the message? It is running. Once it is run and up to date, actually, let us move on. I will help you how to do the setup. You guys don't worry. If you're having any issues, I'm the point of contact. I can help you actually. Okay. Yeah. Then Daniel, can you tell me importing the libraries, configure the LLM? Yeah. This one is important step, sir. Please spend here some time. I'm sorry. Step number 3, creating a agent. Sir, we need to create agent indirectly. Till now, almost 1 hour 3 I have explained how to create agent, Daniel. Very simple. The agent, the one who created this crew AI, he chosen class topic. What topic? And inside that class, he configured everything. Then we need to import the class, then creating an object. Come and talk with me. Import the class, creating an object. While you are creating an object, you have to specify some keyword arguments actually. What exactly, sir? You have to specify the rule. The rule will be friendly AI. What is this? Kind of some, don't worry, friendly AI. We are just trying to wishing, hello, how are you? What are all this? Goal you need to specify. Respond, with a simple greeting. Up to you. Either you will say hi, hello, vadakkam. These are all things, So whatever you want, you can respond actually. Backstory. It would be really good to specify you are a helpful AI that loves saying hello actually. We are telling to the agent, hey agent, I created you. And you need to explain one small story actually, like a context. What is that? Context actually. Can you talk with me? What is the first keyword argument? Next one, goal. Next one, backstory. What do you mean by this verbose, Verbose means whenever you are running this program, backend process you can see. What you can see? Backend process you can see. I will show you. I will run this one. Yeah, we have created agent. We have created a agent actually. Yeah. If you wanted to hide the process, you can delete this one actually. Any idea what is the next one? Now it's the right time. You created agent, right? You need to tell agent your task is this one. Then create a task. Create a task. Talk with me. What is the task? Any idea? Predefined class. What is that? Yeah, we have to import that predefined class. Pure Python knowledge actually. You should maintain some Python knowledge so that you will get a clear picture actually. No, Daniel, I don't know Python in the sense. I have no words, sir. Can I continue? Yeah, please. You have to be strong in Python first of all. Yeah, good. The whole line is indicates to object creation. What is my object name? Greeting task. Previously, what is my object name? Remember this object. Remember this object. We are going to configure this in some location actually. All right. Again, you know what, sir? Keyword arguments. Description. Say hello world. Agent. Yeah. Now you are creating this task. This task supposed to be executed by whom actually? Agent. That agent object name you need to configure here. Can I get a response from you? Sir, previously, did you remember? Did you remember? Yeah. It's very simple. Don't think too much. You have created agent. Then, this one is the agent. This one is the task actually. This agent, you have to specify here. Okay. Then, agent will talk with the task actually and it can pick the task. It can what exactly, sir? Pick the task actually. Yeah, make a note on this one. Greeting task and agent equals to simple agent. Can I ask you one question? Can I change these keyword argument names actually? No. What is the output? Type error. Very good. Unexpected keyword argument. Yeah, very good. If you are changing what happened, you should ever actually. Agent simple underscore agent expected output equals to what exactly mean? A friendly greeting. Sir, you're almost very clear. Can you tell me step number 1? Importing libraries, configure LLM, create agent, create define task or create a task actually. Yeah, the next one, this one is important, sir. Creating a creating a, and here we have to integrate everything actually. Again, object creation, sir. Object creation. Agents, we have to specify what are all agents you do have. A kind of some list I have taken. Why list in the sense, if you want multi-agents also you can configure. Agent number 1. Yeah, Daniel, this one is agent number 1. And what is the task for this agent actually? Can you tell me? Greeting the task. And verbose equals what exactly? True. Done. Right? Now, by using this object name, you need to call a method. Method name is a kickoff. What is the method name? Can I ask a question? Is it method or function? Method, IO, sir. Many times I told actually. During my session, many times I told. That's the beauty with the technology. If you are really very good and strong in fundamental, trust me, new technology you can easy to understand actually. You can laugh. IO, sir. These are all things we know like that actually. Right? And crew dot kickoff you need to call. This one is a method. I'm repeating again, it is not a function. You should be very clear what is a method and what is a function. Then finally the response is storing inside this response. We are creating an object. All right, check the response actually. Can I run the example? I need a response. Come on, let me run actually very simple. You can go to the code base and you can just have to walk through these are all. Online team, just to give me 1 minute, let me drink water. Just to give me 1 minute, let me drink water. And even let me run the example meanwhile. I know it takes some time. Meanwhile, let me drink water. Thank you. Such a awesome steps actually. Let me tell you, imagine if I didn't specify those steps actually, you cannot understand what is happening in the backend. You cannot understand. Yeah, exactly. You know what? These are all steps done actually. Once the moment whenever you are calling the kickoff method, here onwards the actually, there is some terminology you need to be understand. Can you talk with me? Through execution, sir, backend started actually. and automatically, crew execution started. And this one is the crew. Backend, it will assign some ID for this crew, right? Now, can you talk with me, crew? This one is the task ID. Make a note on this one, task ID. Talk with me. And the status, Daniel, the status will be executing the task. Crew, yeah, Daniel, crew. This one is the task ID. Make a note on this one, task ID. It is assigning in the same status executing. What is the next status actually? I trigger the agent. I trigger, yeah, good. Agent main task will be friendly AI. Backend, the log system. It is called as a log system, sir. What system? Daniel, I don't want to see these are all things. Do one thing. Go back and delete the verbose. Go back and delete verbose. Then you never see these are all things actually. I will execute that example also. You will get a clarity, right? The status will be in progress. And the agent, friendly AI, it is live actually. Say hello, get ready. And the crew, and it is thinking. What is this one, sir? Thinking. Very good. Thinking like a human actually. We have created AI agents. It is thinking in the backend actually. Do you think thinking I have written actually? No, 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 sir, please. Yeah, it is working in the backend. Now, ultimately, this one is a completely log message. Now, output will be in the white letter. Now, these are all things are done. Can you talk with me? Check the response. After a seventh step, you're supposed to get the output. What is that output? Hello world, actually. That's what you need to get a clear picture. Are you with me or not, sir? We'll do one thing. You can just try to come here. I will delete verbose actually. Then just try to see what exactly happened. Let us just try to comment this. Let us just try to comment this. And now let me run. Online team, I hope you are following. I hope you are following. Yeah, see, importing the libraries. Very good. Wow. Did you notice? Directly it is giving what exactly, sir? Hello world. Now, if you wanted to see backend process, what is happening? Is agent triggered or not? Is task triggered or not? If you wanted to see these are all things, you have to specify explicitly one keyword argument that is called as a verbose equals to true. By default, it is the false boss. By default, it is what exactly? False, right? Now, let us just try to keep like this only. You know what? Successfully, we have done one example, which is so called as just a simple hello world example, sir. Don't think too much actually. But let me tell you, from this example, you understand very clearly the flow. I'm sure I can give guarantee. The steps you understand. What you understand? Daniel, what do you mean by steps actually? Sir, these are all steps. What we done actually. You know what? Importing the libraries, blah, 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 blah. What is the next one? Check the response. Check the response. I'm sure you got a clarity. Am I right? Yeah, fine. Move on to the next example. These are all, high level coding examples. You will get an idea. Yeah, good. Anurag Sarji. Yeah, you're right, sir. Keyword arguments are very, very important. Keyword arguments are very, very important. Get ready to understand. Sir, next use case. Just now I have explained about just hello world example. All examples will follow the same flow. First point, make a note on this one. But the task is the different. What is the different? Task is the different, right? Now we are going to use Crew AI to generate the structured content. Senior technical writer. What is that? Senior technical writer. So writes a engaging articles on AI agents actually. Ensures accuracy, efficiency, and scalability. What kind of this one? Single agent. I'm sorry, sir. I'm extremely sorry. Now, these are all steps. Make a note on this one, right? Step number one, we need to import the required libraries. We need to configure the LLMs, creating the agents, define the roles. These are all. Here, only one agent. Create a task, create a crew, run the crew, check the response. Simple, that's it. Even though our session is over, you are able to deliver the steps actually. I will not ask actually, deliver the steps, don't worry. Yeah, good. Now let me show you the example actually. What is the code name? Senior Tech Writer.py. You can just have to go back. I can just have to highlight actually. Senior Tech. Sir, I observed this example taking long time to run this example. We'll see. This example is taking in this laptop. It is taking too long time. Too long time. Too long time. Okay, Siddhartha Sarji, let me tell you, when you're talking about the goal, you have to specify the goal. Backstory in the sense, explain the context, like give more clarity. Give more clarity. Hey, I have created for this purpose actually. This is your role. These are all things you have to explain actually. That is called as a backstory. But if you're asking more on technical discussion, that is called as what exactly? Keyword augment actually. I hope you got a clear picture. Come on. Can you talk with me? What is the first one? Importing the. I need your response, boss. Importing. Yeah, we are importing the required libraries. I hope you already know. The next one will be configure the LLM. So I have configured the LLM. As of now, I'm using what exactly, in a Olama local. I already done installation. I'm using one of the model actually. Make a note on this one. Now this one is really great actually. And here a kind of some little information we have to be very clear. We are creating a object to the agent. First point number one. Agent is a predefined class. We have imported. We are creating an object. What is my object name? Senior technical writer. Senior technical writer. Okay, hold on. Then role. We need to tell, hey agent, your role is senior technical writer. Think like you're talking with ChatGPT, like a normal language, how you will talk actually. Hey ChatGPT, think like you are a senior technical writer. I will give some information. You have to provide the output actually. We are talking with the LLM. Like we are talking with the agent actually. Then specify the role. I'm sorry. Specify the role. Can you tell me what is the next one? Not only specify the role, you can just have to explain the role. What is your role? Craft and clear, engaging, well structured, technical content based on research findings. We are giving information. Ensure what you are giving everything. Please, it should be the right things actually. It should be structured. Give me the technical content. These are all things. What is the next one? Backstory. Indirectly, you are explaining the role and goal. Now here, you have to add on actually. Sir, your role will be, you are then experienced technical writer. Context, you are feeding with more data. You are talking more actually. With expertise in a simplifying complex concept, structuring content for readability and ensuring the accuracy in a, these are all instructions you are giving. Think like this. Can I ask you one small question to everybody? Can you tell me what is the first one? Next one, goal. Next one, backstory. LLM, we need to configure. What is that? We need to configure actually. Get ready to understand. Keyword augment. I hope you understand. The next one will be verbose. I hope you know the meaning of actually. Can I ask a question? Uh, yeah, class. Step number 3, creating a agent. What is the step number 4? Creating a. Very good, sir. Very good actually. You understand my point. That's it actually. Very easy, right? Description. Write a well-structured, engaging and technically accurate the articles and here you need to provide the placeholder actually. I will talk with you. Topic especially you need to specify. Agent. Here you need to configure the agent. Expected output actually. A polished and detailed and easy to read articles on the given topic. Make a note on this one. You created a agent and you created a task actually. Now, can you talk with me? You need to create a crew. You need to configure agent and you have to specify what task actually. Previously, have created an object, right? That object you have to specify. And verbose equals to what exactly? True. Now, let me tell you, here is a beauty. Here is the beauty. You explained like, I need that content and this content, kind of some technical content, right? What content you want actually? Here you need to specify. The topic would be, talk with me, AI agents. Indirectly, you are asking, I need AI agent content actually. I need what exactly? Yeah, you have any idea what is the kickoff actually? Method. Method we have to call by using object name. Done, sir. This one will be done actually. The moment when you run this example, trust me, you will get output like this, sir. You can walk through in a document I have specified very clearly actually. You will get AI agents, the future of intelligent system. You will get content like this actually, understanding the AI agent system, rule based systems and machine learning based systems, types of AI agents. Amazing, sir. It is collecting the information actually. Such a beautiful, right? And conclusion, it is giving, these are all things. Final thoughts. Oh my God. Very good actually. Can I get a response from you? It is giving lot of information. Online team, I will run the code, but this example taking This example taking, I noticed actually a little longer time, but let me just try to, for your better understanding. We can schedule it, sir. Right. So what is the example name? Can somebody help me? Come again? Senior technical writer, right? Senior technical writer. I noticed this is taking little longer time. But the third one, fourth one, it is running very quickly, right? It is started progress. Why? Because did you notice the output actually? It's supposed to collect lot of information. Even the system configuration also really matters actually. It is taking little longer time. Thinking. I don't know what is thinking actually. I'm sorry, right? AI agents is supposed to think to provide output actually. Yeah, Anurag Sarji. Especially for this example, you need to specify what topic you want actually. I'm sorry. Let me show the material one more time so that you will get a clear picture. Come on, look at my screen, everybody. Here you need to specify topic, AI agents. Why? Because here we are just explaining the information. Hey, agent, you have to do that task and this one, clear, engaging, well structured. These are all things you are telling, right? Anyway, can I move on? Is it okay for you? Yeah. Why? Because I have specified the document and material. You guys can walk through and execute these examples. I will do one thing. Whenever you are dropping a mail, I will share these examples also. These examples you can directly run in your laptop actually. It will be helpful for you. Is it okay for you? All right. Let me just try to move on. Did you notice? Still taking time. Still taking time. Yeah. If your computer really very good actually, during running AI agents, you can understand. My system is really very good, something like that actually. It takes some time, sir. It takes some time. Cinema started actually, I don't know when it will end. It takes some time. But in my personal laptop, it runs very quickly. All right, maybe I'm stopping in between. Is it okay? Yeah. No. Session is, I'm not stopping. I would like to move on with the next example. Why? Because, we are, yeah. Now, one small point. Online team, I need a response from you. I hope you are enjoying that. You are enjoying the technical discussion, I guess. If you are really from technical, right? Yeah. Very good, very good. I will share the material. One small last point actually. If anyone joined recently, please drop a mail to get this. Please drop a mail to this mail ID. Daniel Janya 77@gmail.com. Subject should be AI agents material. I will share this material with you. Maybe once after this session is over, I can share actually. Make a note on this, and I can just try to move on. Enhancing performance with stronger LLM. Sir, currently we are using local LLMs. What we are using? A weak LLM may produce the less accurate response, but if upgrade DeepSeek, sir, if you want, you can configure GPT for better accuracy and efficiency. Model switching steps were covered earlier actually. That's what you need to get a clear picture. All right. Fine then. Let's move on, please. Next use case actually. The next use case. What is this use case? Automated healthcare. AI summary with Crew AI. Sir, this one is multi agents. What agents? Multi agents. Get ready. This one is a very important. You have to be understand. We are going to create a multiple agents, multiple tasks. We are integrating each other. That is seriously awesome actually. My motto will be, I wanted to connect with especially, I wanted to get the data, especially healthcare related information. What information? Let us just try to walk through. The flow should be the same. Step one, step two, importing the library. You have to configure the LLMs. I hope we already covered previously. What are steps we have to do? Creating the agents, really great. Talk with me. Agent one, researcher. Agent two, very good. Researcher, gather the information. Writer, summarize the research finding. Seriously, very good. First person, he will do one activity. Second person, he can do another activity actually. Then first step, creating the task, create a crew, run the crew. The next one will be, that's it. This would be really awesome. You can easy to understand. Can you tell me what is example number? Health example name, demo, healthcare demo. It will be a little longer actually. Yeah, good. Make a note on this. Easy. Trust me, it is very easy. As usual, we need to import the required libraries. We are importing. Configure the LLMs. Still I'm using local LM. Step number 3.1. Why? Because creating agents, right? I'm planning to create agent number 1, agent number 2. That's what I would like to tell. 3.1 first agent, 3.2. That's it actually. That's a beauty. You guys connect very quickly. That's first agent I'm creating. First agent I'm creating. Researcher role. Your role will be gather information about the given topic. Hey, please, your role is I will give a topic actually. Gather the information. Backstory and detail oriented AI skilled in finding accurate information actually. While experiencing, you will get an idea. When you are implementing few more use cases, what kind of information I need to provide, you will get an idea actually, right? And verbose equals to true. Allow delegation actually. What do you mean by this? I will talk with you. Hold on. Once the all tasks are over actually, it's supposed to terminate at right time actually, right? What is the next one? Tell me. Previously, researcher. The next one will be a writer. Good. This one is a writer agent. We are specifying the role, goal, summarize information into the concise and readable format. A creative AI that enjoy writing clear and engaging summaries. Verbose equals to true, allow delegation equals to false. This is still optional actually. That is still okay. I have a question for you. First agent done, second agent done. Can you guess what is the next step? Very nice. Feel so happy, sir. I'm happy. Why? Because you guys are responding. Task. Research task. What is that? Research. That to 4.1. Create research task. This task is especially for the researcher agent. Then guess one more task. The task should be for writer. Yes, I'm sure. Kindly please walk through. Find a key details about the benefits of AI in what exactly, man? Very good. A list of key benefits of AI healthcare. Kindly please walk through. One more task we are creating. Summarize the research findings into the short articles actually. A well-structured summary of what exactly, man. This task is for what exactly? Talk with me. Writer. The next one will be creative. Very good, man. Here we are specifying what exactly? Multiple agents. What is that? And this one should be multiple tasks. First agent takes care about the first task, second agent like this actually. Any idea? Kick off. You can just have to run the crew. Very good method you are talking, right? Very nice. You're talking too much technical actually. Very good. I feel so happy. What is the file name? Can I run actually? Let me just try to run this one. In my document, I already specified. If you are trying to running this example, what kind of output you will get, you know? Yeah, meanwhile, let me just try to show the material. One point I can say, our material helps you. Our material helps you actually. Avinash garu cheppandi. Yeah, good. We spend some time, sir. Theme, why red color? Keywords you should ever actual. If you're from Daniel student, you should ever actual. These are all. Yeah, once you run these are all thing. The transformative benefits of what exactly? AI healthcare. You know, it is giving kind of some information. Seriously, very good. So enhanced, you can walk through, please. These are all. You will get an idea. Daniel, can you show me a kind of some background, how it is running example? Yeah, sure, I can. Yeah, sir, very good. It's run very quickly. It's run very quickly. This is the completely background log system actually. This one is output, sir. Let me tell you what are all greens, a kind of some green output you are able to see, right? The screen will be. This one is a log system back and it is running actually. But here, what are all things you are able to see? This one is output. This one is what exactly, sir? Output actually. Make a note on this one. Yeah, good. This is able to get these are all output actually. Very good. We done this example also. Now, sir, let me tell you, by using AI agents, you can do code review also. You can do, yeah. Then for that, crew AI tools is required. What is required? That's what. Did you remember initially when I was explaining about, you know, there are two libraries you have to, you know, you can make it at runtime also. If you wanted to give a prompt actually, at runtime also you can make it. By using a one function name is called as a input function. I hope you know. If you know the little basics in Python, you can easy to understand these are all things actually. Okay. Now, uh, fine then, let's continue. multi-agent research assistance with Crew AI. This one is one of the another big example. Multiple agents, research assistant. I'm sure if you understand one example flow, other examples flow will be almost similar, sir. Make a note on this one. A technical flow for multi-agents research agent. Sir, did you remember research agent, gather real-time information, summarization agent, fact-checking agent, improve accuracy? These are all. Did you remember when I was explaining about the scenario? Not only theoretical, practically we have implemented actually. Follow step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. Oh, very good. How many agents we are creating? 3. Research agent, summarization agent, fact-checking agent. Right. Research task, summarization task. For every agent, task is required. Are you with me? Simple. Nice. Crew A. You have to create a crew A, then you can just have to kick off the crew A, then check the response. How is the content, sir? Trust me, it gives a clear, very clear picture actually. Can I tell you the good news? Last example actually. And one more point, in another 5 to 10 minutes, logout it is going to happen. Logout in the sense, maybe I need response. Did you understand? Yeah, yeah. I can ask later actually. Enabling web search. This example especially, I'm not using local LLM. Here you need to be understand a few more points actually. Server dev, a kind of what we need to do is, are you aware about this one? Let me give one small idea. It won't take much time. You do one thing. You can just have to provide this link, especially crpr.dev. You can just have to go to the Google, click on this one, log in with your Gmail. First, you have to sign up. First, you have to sign up. First, you have to. Then, the moment when you sign up, somewhere you can see API key. I'm sure in your dashboard you can see what exactly, sir? API key. Get that API key. Get that API key actually. I will help you how to configure. You will get an idea. And integrate the so-and-so dev tool, especially for web searches. We are going to integrate with the web actually now. And especially I'm using OpenAI key. Now I'm not using LLM. I'm not using local LLM. I have my own Open API key actually. Then let me just try to run this example. This one is a real-time example, sir. Trust me on this. Okay. Can I continue? What is the example? Multi-agents demo. You can just have to take this multi-agents demo. We can run this one too. Oh, great. Let's move on. You will get an idea. I'm sure once we have imported these are all things. Crew AI tools. Oh, we have to install this one as well, right? Any idea what is this one? Here, make a note on this one. Step number 1, importing the libraries. Step number, special step actually. Load environment variables, enable web search actually. In my environment variables, I have configured OpenAI and Server Dev tool actually. How to configure? We have to do little R&D. You will get an idea. And we have to load the environment variables. To load that environment variables, create an object for this one. The whole line is object creation. I'm sorry. First of all, you need to call a function. What is this? Function load dot environment. Then you need to you need to create an object for this actually. Once you done object creation, then it is loaded. It is loaded actually. Yeah, sir. Did you notice what is the second step generally? Configure the LLMs. But I'm using default LLM now. In my system, I already configured actually. In my system, I should not show. Why? Because that one is the API key, which is the confidential actually. I'm sorry. Can I get a response from you? You do little or you will get an idea. Yeah, good. We are creating a research agent. What we are creating? Research agent. Kindly please walk through. Agent 1 you are creating. Please, you need to walk through actually. Tools you need to specify. Here you can see tools equals to that object name. Previously I have created object, right? That object you have to specify here. And role, goal, backstory, these are all things you have to specify. Agent number 2, summarizer agent. What agent? Talk with me. First one, research summarizer. Here you need to specify. The next one, fact checker agent. And next one will be relevant task. For research agent, what kind of task it's supposed to do. Please, I request you need to walk through. You will get an idea. Like a paragraph wise, we need to specify. And task number 2, summarization task. The next one will be fact checking task. These are all things you need to specify. Team, it's the right time. Create a crew, specify all your agents, all your tasks. Then process equals to process dot sequential, a kind of some process which is a predefined class actually. I'm sure I'm importing. There is one important new point. Who knows Python actually? Let me tell you. By using class name, hold on. By using class name, you are accessing something. Backend, this is called as a especially either class variable or static variable. What variable? Yeah, either class variable or static variable. It is not instance variable. We can access class variable or static variable by using a class. I can take a separate session. You will get an idea. What do you mean by that actually, right? The next one will be kickoff. You need to call inputs equals to topic. The impact of AI and what exactly? Now we are searching. Boss, can you talk about this topic? Impact of AI jobs in what exactly? Mocks actually. Now, can I run this one? What is the file name? Multi-agents demo. Let me run this example. Daniel, what kind of output you are going to get? Sir, we will get a concise output. It will hit the website, grab the data, summarize, fact checking, which one is valid, which one is invalid, everything you will get actually. Trust me, sir, this is really awesome actually. We are living in the AI era. This is called as a, we are living in AI era. And what is the importance of AI agents? The heading, I hope you understand actually. Yeah, good. So fine then. So finally verified summary. This is the output you're supposed to get actually. All right. Let me show you. Yeah, it is running in the backend. Thinking. Automatically it is connecting from the website, and these are all through the website it is connecting actually. If this AI agent is not available, you have to write kind of some automation testing tools you need to apply. Connect the website, get the data, validate the, oh, very good, sir. We got a response actually. We got a response. You know what? Can I tell you small good news? I hope everybody is waiting actually. Yasir sir, RAG is different. Maybe initial I told actually. Uh, I will talk what do you mean by RAG also later. Sir, first point. Thank you. We done today's session. We done this session actually. This session. Please make a note. I hope you can easy to understand the examples that technically I just simply walk through, but I was not done deep dive actually. But ensure that I already told you should know the Python knowledge so that you can easy to understand. The next one will be, from my bottom of the heart, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind cooperation actually, for your kind cooperation. I hope we done today's session actually. Can I get a response from you? I need a response from everybody. Did you understand today's session? All right, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Srikant Sarji, thank you. And I'm sure, I know you are really waiting for material actually. Get ready, drop a mail, and this one is my mail ID. You will get the material. No doubt in that actual. Did you understand or not, sir? All right, fine. Then it's a right time. Let me take a sign off actually. And if time permits, definitely I will come up again actually, and I can take part number 2. What is that? Waiting. I hope you guys are waiting, I guess actually, right? And online team, thank you. I can be here. I will be here actually for a few minutes. Definitely. Rajesh Sarji. Yeah, sure. Offline team, thank you. Online team, hold on, just 1 minute. Everybody, thank you so much. Thank you for joining overall for this session. I really like your presence. All right, thank you. Who all joined for this session? Thank you so much. I can update in Google Classroom. Anurag Sarji. Thank you. We done today's session. I'm just trying to doing log out actually. Thank you, everybody.